Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. And as you can probably see behind me, there is basically a sea of Porsches, which is why I'm here, of course, to show you the lineup. So this is Porsche's Factory Tour, and they again came into the same garage in the same hotel in the capital of Croatia, which is Zagreb, about the same time as last year, but this year they've brought a bunch of 992s because that's the new company's highlight product. So the plan for today's video is rather simple. I will go through each car and show you the different colors, the specs, different wheels, options for the exhaust, soft tops, coupe styles and whatever not. But first I would like to say a few words about the 992. So ever since it came out, I was a big fan, of course, because I love the 911 and basically I'm a big Porsche fan. But the thing that I'm still not used to, probably, is the interior. I kind of think that that door handle is not looking that great in comparison with the one we found on the 991. Now then, another new thing about the 992 is the digital cockpit, of course, but we have the horizontal style of the interior, so it follows this line in respect to other 911s, but ever since the 996, Porsche 911s had vertical style of cockpit, which meant the air vents are here and then we have the screens and infotainment. But with the 992, Porsche decided to kind of bring its past into life with the 992's design, which pays tribute to older 911s, maybe in fact the 993 the most of them all. So we have the square bonnet, which is a new thing on the 992. On the 991 we had the one which was kind of curved, so this is all done to remind us of the heritage of the 911s and especially the older models such as the 993. So yes, now enough talking, I think it's time to take a proper look at this wonderful lineup. Okay, so guys, now I think it's enough talk about the 992 and I think it is perfect time to take a look, a more detailed look at the lineup. So we will start with the 992 4S Cabriolet in racing yellow. It has the 10-spoke matte black wheels with the soft top painted in black, I would say, yes, black. The interior has yellow seat belts, black leather seats with black stitching, and also we have the yellow details on the dashboard and besides the door handle. Then moving on into the lineup, we have the 992 4S Coupe in lizard green. It has the same wheels, it has an all black interior with some, if I'm seeing right, lizard green seat belts, but black stitching and black leather. Then we have another same spec as this one, the Cab 4S in racing yellow, so yes, same wheels, same soft top. Next to it is another cab in Miami blue. This is one of my favorite colors, in fact. Suits the car very nicely, gives it an exotic kind of look, makes it pop in the outdoor. And also here is, I think, the carmine red, another cabriolet with the wheels which are actually my favorites. So yeah, so far so good, right? Moving on, we have another cabriolet. So seems like on the Porsche Factory Tour drivers like to have their hair in the wind, so they brought a whole bunch of cabriolets. A 992 4S Cabriolet, black soft top, 5-spoke wheels, which are actually one of my favorite ones for this paint, which is, I think, Dolomite Silver Metallic. Gives the car a very exclusive kind of classy look, all black interior. And also, guys, on this car you will notice it has the quad exhaust tailpipes. I think there are still 2 pipes inside, but they are just 4 exhaust tailpipes for the purposes of its looks. But here we have the dual oval ones in black, which are actually my favorite. But to be honest, the quad tailpipes suit better this spec, which is more of a classy one, and this is an aggressive looking kind of look at me spec. Here we have another quite elegant spec. I think this is Gentian blue metallic, another 4S Cabriolet. So we have only 2 coupes in lizard green, others are all cabriolets. So here is the lava orange cabriolet with the black pack, which gives it this nice look of the blacked out letters. And I believe the door handle is still lava orange, but we have the 10-spoke wheels fitted to most of the cars in the lineup. Another nice color, maybe not the best for the 992. I mean, it looks perfect, but I associate lava orange with the RS, the GT3 RS, so it is weird seeing it on a cabriolet for sure, but it looks very nice. And here we have a few more. So actually this is only one 718 Boxster GTS on the tour. Other ones are all 992s. This is a very nice pack because it is finished in this flat kind of chalk paintwork, which shows off the lines of the car perfectly. We have the 10 spokes, I believe, in black with the steel rotors and red calipers. GTS lettering on the doors is always a nice touch, but also the black pack, which gives you the black door handle, standard interior, no carbon fiber if I'm right, and what is nice is the red stitching on the seats alongside with the GTS branding on top. Come on, focus. So yes, and another cool feature is, of course, we have the blacked out letters because it has the black pack, but also an option which is interesting to me is the painted diffuser in the chalk paint. Next to it is another 4S cab, black top, 10-spoke wheels, the same paint as the Boxster, the flat chalk paint, and we have another Dolomite silver metallic with the 5-spoke wheels, black top, black interior, and elegant spec overall. So yes, absolute dream lineup here. We have quite literally a sea of Porsches here, which is always a nice sight. But yes guys, this is the lineup overall. Extremely nice specs, lots of cars. It's always special to see this amount of cars in the same place. But as always, thank you very much for watching, and I'm hoping to see you in my next video.